Ay, may
natutuwa nga ako, maraming mga nagba-viral. May isang mall, napanood ko, they were being interviewed by the bloggers and they were asked, ba't kayo naglilinis? Ba't kayo nag-aayos? Sabi niya, hindi na namin hintayin si Yorme dahil alam na namin yung gagawin ni Yorme. I'm happy. No, people get inspired to put things in right order. I'm really grateful. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa mga nagkukusa na linisin na natin ang ating kapaligiran, linisin na natin ang ating pamayanan. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman na makikinabang dito. If not for us, at the very least, for our children and their future. I cannot do it alone, Ami, with all honesty. You know, you have about 2 million nighttime population and 3 million daytime population. And while it is true that we don't produce anything, but we distribute everything in the city of Manila. So imagine the incidental garbage, no? Yung dulot nito. And any mayors, lalahatin ko na, cannot do it alone.